Hello everyone, good morning. I'm your host Manya Gupta and here are the tech updates for you that will start with Moto Edge 50 Neo. Its powerful features at an affordable price. Redmi Smart Fire TV 4K 2024 series launched in India. Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2024 announced for September 27. Disney Plus Hotstar unveils AI-powered video optimization for enhanced streaming. About Mac OS Sequoia, where new features are unveiled. Microsoft 365 Copilot Wave 2 highlights, and finally on Zomato bans AI-generated images from menus to prevent misleading ads. Quiz section. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you .mpg extension refers to which type of file, and the answer is video file. It's time for a daily question. Here's today's question. Which company developed the search engine Bing? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Welcome to a quick review of the Moto Edge 50 Neo, recently launched in India. Priced at just $23,999, the smartphone packs a punch with its 6.4-inch 1.5K POLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate and a 3000 nits of peak brightness. Perfect for vibrant visuals. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset with 8GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM, making multitasking a breeze. The 50MP Sony LYTR 700C camera captures stunning photos with IP68 water and dust resistance. It's built to the last. Plus, it comes with 5 years of OS updates. Get ready for an incredible deal with this festive season on Flipkart and Motorola's website, so don't miss out that. So another news about Redmi. Redmi's new Smart Fire TV 4K 2024 series is here, starting at $23,499 for the 43-inch, $34,999 for the 55-inch model. Both features a 4K HDR display with the MEMC technology for smooth visuals and Fire TV integration with access to 12,000 plus apps. The 43-inch model has 24-watt speakers while the 55-inch has 30-watt. Alexa is built in for voice control and the TV can act as a hub for other smart devices. Available from September 18 with an ICICI Bank offer included to it. Then we have Amazon. You might have heard it has officially announced its Great Indian Festival Sale 2024, which starts 27 September. Prime members will get early access on 26 September. Expect some amazing offers in a wide range of products, especially smartphones, along with up to 10% instant discount for SBI card users. The sale will coincide with Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale, which also starts from 27 September. As Amazon's biggest sale of the year, it's a great opportunity to grab festive deals and discounts now. Coming to the news, Disney Plus Hotstar has introduced an AI-powered video optimization technology, transforming the streaming experience. This advanced encoding tool adapts video quality based on user habits and scene complexity, resulting in sharper visuals while reducing data usage up to 25%. With over 700 titles already optimized, the technology ensures HD content is accessible even on limited bandwidth. It customizes the viewing experience by analyzing user patterns and scene details, offering an efficient, data-conscious way to enjoy premium content without compromising the quality. News. Apple has rolled out Mac OS Sequoia alongside iOS 18 and iPad OS 18, bringing exciting new features to the Mac users. iPhone mirroring is now available, letting users interact with their iPhone directly on their Mac. Safari sees major updates including highlights and a redesigned reader mode for faster article navigation. A new password app securely stores all credentials in one place, and window tiling simplifies multitasking. Video calls get enhanced with customizable backgrounds, while Apple introduces the ability to use AI-powered video optimization for better data usage and sharper visuals. Next, we have Microsoft, which introduced a new AI feature in its Copilot Wave 2 launch aimed at business. Key updates include Copilot Pages, which uses AI to pull insights from work data into shareable documents, and Copilot Agents, virtual assistants that automate tasks like inbox monitoring. Other updates include Narrative Builder in PowerPoint, Python integration in Excel, and email inbox prioritization. These advantages were presented by CEO Satya Nadella and Jared Spataro during a virtual event live streamed on LinkedIn and Microsoft's website. Last but not the least, Zomato has officially banned AI-generated images on its restaurant partners' menu and marketing materials as of September 16, aiming to curb these misleading ads. Restaurants that don't comply will be delisted. Zomato CEO Rakesh Ranjan mentioned the issue is not widespread but wants to be addressed early. The ban follows a month after Zomato founder Deepinder Goyal asked restaurants to avoid using AI-generated dish images, citing customer complaints, higher refunds, and lower ratings. So to ease the transition, Zomato is offering discounted professional photo shoots for INR 4,000-5,000, significantly lowering the typical cost for small restaurants. AI will still play a major role in other areas like cataloging for food and quick commerce. So this was all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice. Thank you.